Supreme Court today has issued notice on Goa Foundation IA filed to bring down the cap to 12 million tons from 20 million tons. Pollution Control Board and all this stuff. Because of problem caused in Tonchi, he said that they cannot take out, even with 20 million tons, they are creating so much of problem. So they should not be allowed to take out 20 million tons. They can only take out 12 million tons. And we have said that if the Supreme Court wants, they should make them actually remove only 5 million tons. Because they are not willing to behave. Mining companies are not willing to behave. And government does not have any infrastructure to control the pollution. So on these two grounds, we have said you do not allow them to get into increasing the cap. The cap has to be reduced.